I am BK, your English teacher. Today I want to teach you something different than usual. Actually, you know that it is the right of every language, even it is English or some other language, that if you want to speak, write a language, so you should follow its proper ways and to pay the right of the language. Now it here there are few words I want to teach you today to pronounce them like the American or the British or the Australian or the Canadians mean the natively English speakers do. This lesson is thoroughly for non-English speaking or non-native English speakers because there are pronunciation of English letters word by word differently. So the proper sounds, what are they? V, W, T, D, TH, AU and U. Now we have to see that what's the exact sound of the given words. The letters, these are English alphabets or letters. So the first one is V. This is V, not V. This is the difference between V and W. W is W and V is V. You can't say clearly V. You should make here some sound, like some vibrative sound. So V, very, that's very. Very means more than less. Means a lot of. So very, that's not very, not very, that's very, okay? There is valid. Valid means legal. Something is not illegal, that's legal, that's lawful, that's allowed. So we say valid, that's not valid, that's valid, okay? There is love. Love means to like someone, something, some object or someone likes some other. So love means attraction between the two or from one side. That's love. That's not love. Love, wrong. Love. If I'm teaching you, so I say love. You are not supposed to speak in English, hey, I love you. That's wrong. You say, I love you. There is love. But I am teaching you love. This is just for teaching, to make you understand the real sound of the V. So love. There is leave. Leave means to quit. Leave means to give up something. Okay, that's leave. V-E-V. Okay, the other word is W. W means W. This is clearly W, not V. So work. Work is to do something. Wood. Wood means like branches of the tree we use for burning or for furniture or for something else. There is wall. Wall is a brick or block made boundary for roof, for boundary lines, for any purpose. So that's wall. We put bricks or each other or blocks, we build a wall. There is walk. Walk means just stepping forward. Means you are moving by your feet. Putting the one foot, foot and the other in front of that to move ahead. So that's walk. You are not gonna drive, gonna drive your bike or your car or fly. So you are walking like that's walking, okay? There is something small thing to clear, like there is walk, W-A-L-K. So here the L Went. The L is silent somewhere and somewhere it sounds. I have uploaded a video about this lesson already. The L where it's silent. You can go there and confirm. The other is T. See, letter T, that's not T. T is wrong. T. It means you can touch the in tip of your tongue. T. You can flip, you can expand your tongue and say T. T, not T. T. That's wrong. T. So I would like total. That's not total. Not total. That's total. Total. That is tell. Tell means to show some things to someone, that you are telling something, to informing him, to awareing him of some things. That's tell. Tell, not tell. If you say tell, that's wrong. If you say tell, that's okay. Let me tell you new information. Let me tell you about your class timing. There is treat. Treat means to deal with. Now this is not treat. That's treat. Okay. They treated them very well. Okay? Treat him honorably. Okay? There is talk. Again, there is T-A-L-K. Talk. I'm talking to you now. So talk, that's not talk. Talk is wrong. Talk is also wrong. That's talk. And L is again silent, as I said earlier that I have already made a video about the silent L's. There are some letters in English alphabets, they remain silent somewhere. There is talk. I'm talking to you right now to teach you the things. Okay, there is take. Take means there are these markers. I'm taking this one. Take means to lift it up or to take it away. Take. Okay. The second form of take is took. The third is also took, not took. Took. So okay, I took a point. Okay. The other one is D. D. D is not like D. D is wrong. Okay. If you are speaking proper English, that's not D. You can say good. You say good. Okay. There's D. Dwell. Dwell means dwell. Okay. Dwell like both. Dwell. D, not D. The other is delete. That's not delete. That's delete. D, T. This is D. This is T. Delete. Okay. There is door. Door. That's not door. If we say door, that's wrong. If we speak proper English or we pronounce the proper word, that's door. Door. Okay? That is good. Good. That's not good. If we say good, it's not proper English. The listener will still understand we are saying that's okay. Good mean okay. But if we are speaking proper English, we should say good. There is God. No God. The one who created us is our God. God is Almighty Allah. Okay? The master of the universe is the God in English. Okay? The other word is TH. Now, V, W, T, G. 4 single words. Now, TH combines and make 2 kind of sounds. TH is not the. TH makes T kind of sounds. The, again vibration like in the V, the or the. The or the. See here, Third city. Now here is third city. The city, no. Not vibrative word it here, not the. Third city. Third city, the one who needs to drink or take water, even man, bird, or animal. So he is third city. Okay. Third city. Third city is the name of a day among the days of the week. Okay. Third city. There is that. Now there is change. There th, the. Here th, the. Vibration. Okay. That. There. Okay. There are a lot of other examples, but I'm not gonna tell you all the examples because I can't. My body is full already. Okay. That is a cat. Okay. That is a demonstrative pronoun. That. This is. The other one is AU. When AU are together, they sound like to raise the sound upward. How like August. August is the name of a month of 12 months of a year. So that's August. AU raises the sound upward. There is autumn. Autumn is one of the 4 seasons. Spring, summer, and autumn, the third one. Okay, the other is authority. Authority means the one who has got the power to do something, to sign something. Like on his discretion, something could happen. That's called authority. And there are many other examples as well, but I'm not gonna teach all of them. I'm just concerned to teach you the sound of the letters of the alphabets. The other is U. U is strange. U somewhere sounds like U is. Like the same U, sound is the same. And somewhere it sounds like a sound. How like unable. Unable means I'm not gonna do something because I can't. I'm not able to walk. I'm not able to climb the wall, the rope. I'm not able to write on something right now. This is the opposite of the able. There is understand. Understand means that I got the picture of something. Means I'm understanding what you are going to tell me. Or I understand what is the issue going on. Understand. There is use. Use is not ooze. As I said, you sounds like unable, understand, etc. So use, there is not ooze. There is use. Use sounds like it is in its proper shape. Like usual. Usual means something is common. So for common thing, usual means use sounds like you is. So I hope you understood all these words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are the letters, the alphabets from English ABC, and they have got their own sounds through proper way if you want to speak like American, British, Canadians or Australians. Why I am naming these 4 countries? Because these 4 countries speak natively English. And I said this video is completely for non-English speakers, like for non-natively English speakers. My purpose and my goal was to correct your sound for these alphabets. Thank you very much.